Hello and welcome. I am Aces_00, and we are going to be playing some classic PS2 games. And by classics, I mean games I enjoyed playing on the PS2. And first off the bat, we're going to go with Ace Combat Distant Thunder, one of my all-time favourite Ace Combat games. This video will be doing the first 4 missions, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Here we go. Right, so we are going to be doing a new game, and we're going to do it on normal difficulty. The reason why I always pick normal when I'm playing a game is it's challenging enough but not too challenging. Also, you do have a limitation on your ammo, which means you can't just keep spamming the bullets in the game. So here we go.
I was just a child when the stars fell from the skies, but I remember how they built a cannon to destroy them, and in turn how that cannon brought war upon us. War was an abstract idea, nothing more than a show on TV. As a child, I only saw it as something that happened in some faraway land. Until that final day of summer. One day while on my way to school, I looked up in the skies. A sound like distant thunder. In the blue skies far above me, contrails drew dizzying circles around in a crazy waltz. A battle in the beautiful skies far away. I could not tear my gaze away from them. A deafening roar. As if to graze the hills and streak past me. The fighters played the cat or the mouse in turn as they climbed swiftly into the sky. One fleeing plane fell out of the skies, spiraling and spewing orange flames to crash by the Cape. The same Cape where my family lived. Now they only live in my memories of days past. The victor circled around to confirm the kill. And on his craft, there was a large number 13 emblazoned in yellow. I will never forget this. The Allies retreated across the ocean before the onslaught of the enemy. Our little town in the heart of the mainland fell into deep isolation.
One of the things I love about this game is the little stories to lead you up to the
4
missions.
years after the planetfall of the Ulysses 1994 XF-04
They're never really
asteroids,
about the character you're playing, they're always
Stonehenge,
about someone
the
else in the
Erusian
world.
weapon of mass destruction,
I think they
was
did
originally
pretty well.
built to shoot down asteroids. Upon discovering its potential as an anti-aircraft weapon, the Erusians ruled the skies over the mainland. The ISAF's attempts to destroy Stonehenge through airstrikes failed. As a result, strategic positions on the mainland were lost. This in turn forced ISAF to evacuate from the east coast to North Point. ISAF GHQ is regrouping its remaining combat forces at North Point. However, the Erusians control most parts of the mainland, and they have forward deployed bombers to Wrigley Air Base, a former ISAF facility. This bomber force will attempt to deal a lethal blow to the ISAF at North Point from this strategic position. Here is the current SITREP and your orders for deployment, effective immediately. Enemy agents destroyed our early warning radar network, allowing several air bombers to penetrate our airspace. In 15 minutes, we expect this bomber formation to strike Allen Ford Air Base and then move on to targets at North Point. Our air defense forces are extremely weak at this point in time, hence our GHQ is a sitting duck. It is mission critical that you destroy the bombers and neutralize the threat before they get past Newfield Island. Remember, you are the first line of defense for North Point, and the fate of ISAF lies in your hands.
Yeah, so with the Ace Combat games, the first couple of levels are quite simple like this. Shoot down targets, eliminate the targets as quick as you can, and that's mission complete. I will try and take down every aircraft in the enemy aircraft during the first mission, and let's see how we go. Alright, so I'm just going to modify the options a little bit. Control setup. Right, I take vibrations off because it can be a little bit too much on these older PlayStation console controllers, and I really don't want it to actually vibrate so my controllers be destroyed. So we're going to start the first mission. We have our first plane, which is the F-4E fighter. Like I say, the more missions you do, the more money you get, the more planes you can buy. And the first expert weapon we can use are the bombs, which are air to ground, and we can't technically use it for this mission because it's all aerial based. Right, and let's go.
Mobius 1, you are cleared for takeoff. Mobius 1, take off immediately to clear the flight line.
AWACS here, call sign Sky Eye. Do you read? Your call sign is Mobius 1.
I like to fly in this view. It makes it a little bit more challenging because there's like this big sections of the plane you can't, the sky you can't see.
Continue north
So
to intercept.
we have got 6 targets to take out, plus escort planes. This is our plane at the moment.
Don't let them get past the island.
It's a nice plane, but it isn't my
Mobius
favourite.
1, engage.
Here we go.
He's coming
So
in.
we have got 650 rounds for our machine gun, 52 missiles, 8 bombs. Fortunately, the bombs won't do any good in this mission.
Locked on. Mobius 1, Fox 2. Counting on you. Mobius 1,
Save
shut down
face.
fire. There's our welcoming party. Let your escorts handle them.
Ah, got it. Right, so there are now 4 targets and 4 escorts. One of these days, I'll be able to speak properly, but today is not that day, I guess. Yeah, so 4 escort planes to take out as well as 4 targets. So I'll take out the first 2 targets before we engage the escorts.
I'm closing in on 8 miles to the target.
And hopefully, we can do it without getting hit.
Mobius 1, currently over city airspace.
Right, so we've got 2 targets left, 4 escort planes. Let's take these out. The more targets you destroy, the more points you get. I do believe it equals to the more money you get, so the more money, the quicker you can buy other planes and stuff. So that's what we're going to try and do.
Mobius 1, Allen Ford Air Base is on the nose.
This is Allen
fort. We're under attack. The runway and facilities are hit.
I want the other. I don't want them. I want the other. There we go. That's what I want.
Radar lock.
You do get allied planes in this, but you never seem to do anything.
This is Grave 5. I'm taking enemy fire.
They open fire, but the mounds miss more than we actually hit. Right, I'll just leave us the 2 bombers to take out now.
Don't worry about the air vessel. Keep your eyes on the target.
Locked on. One target remaining.
I do have a tendency when I'm playing the games to actually, well, I'll say sing along to music. Do the have the music playing as well.
Good job, Mobius 1.
I think the scores on most of these games are actually fantastic,
Sky Eye, this is Alan Fort.
and I think that's
Got
another
visual
reason
on the
why
downed
I enjoy
bombers.
playing them so much.
Whose kill was that? Make sure to thank him.
That's a roundup. Let's go on home.
We don't need to see the replay the whole mission.
Thanks to your efforts, the enemy bomber strike was averted.
Yeah, point
However,
equals
our victory will be meaningless should you fail the next mission.
cash. So with that, we got an S rank as well. Pretty cool. So we got 30,000.
The war seemed to unfold in the blink of an eye. I don't remember exactly when the forces from the west occupied my town. I was too busy scanning the skies day after day, waiting for Yellow 13 to reappear. Before I knew it, everything changed. The language they taught us at school. Our friendly local sheriff disappeared and was replaced by foreign MPs. In the beginning, some people secretly tuned into broadcasts from North Point on their parabolic antennas. But as time passed, the broadcast no longer came in. Maybe the satellites were destroyed. All non-military computer networks were shut down. Gasoline was rationed to civilians. Though we lived in the 21st century, we were reduced to using crystal radios and horse-drawn carts. I moved in with my uncle in town, who used to be a taxi driver. Out of gasoline and out of work, my uncle did nothing but to drown himself in drink. I earned my keep by playing the harmonica in the town bar, the one thing I was good at. I'd play for sullen occupation soldiers in exchange for their charity and loose change, and used the money to support my uncle and myself. My uncle trash-talked the barkeep who catered to the enemy soldiers, but he never refused the money I brought home. As for myself, I had a crush on the barkeep's only daughter, who was a little older than me. Another day passed, yet still no sign of the fighter plane Yellow 13 in the skies above our town.
Okay, we'll go on to our next mission. Mission 2, imminent threat. Let's go.
The enemy-held Wrigley Air Base is located in close proximity to our front lines, making it the proverbial knife at our throat. A large Erusian bomber contingent was deployed to Wrigley. Their intentions are clear. A full-scale strike on our forces at North Point is imminent. Your mission is to catch these bombers on the ground and destroy them. We intend to turn the parking ramp at Wrigley into a junkyard.
Okay, so this one's mainly ground targets. There's 7 air targets, so we can try and take them out as well. Again, we got a total of 31 targets. We got 7 air, 24 ground, and 11 actual targets. So let's try and take them all out again. Can we upgrade our weaponry? So the current one we've got for the E-Fighter is the... Yes, we can get this one, perfect. Did we get... we must have got extra points from somewhere, because I don't remember us getting that much money, but here we go. Right. Perfect. I also like to buy every piece of weaponry for each plane before I buy the next plane. Right, so air to ground spread bomb, air to ground spread bomb. Right, so we get 8 of them, but only 6 of them. So technically, this one is better because we have more. But that is a napalm bomb, so we'll stick with this one for now. Go with that. Again, we're going to go with this few, so it's a little bit more challenging.
Together on the ground. Take them all out.
Watch those AA guns. Keep an eye out for things. Stay cool when they close in.
Bogey's closing in on Wrigley AB. Scramble at once. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not
One
a drill.
target down anyway.
Intercept immediately.
Mobius 1 passing over substation.
Twin
White
fighters
flag, this
coming
is
in.
Wrigley Air Base. You're clear to take off runway 5.
Missed. Oh, that's 2 missiles missed.
Mobius 1
Daddy.
engage.
Omega 11 engage. We've got ourselves a real attack here.
Missed.
Got enough time. That isn't a good start to the mission once we've fired 4 rockets at one and missed.
Enemy aircraft on the nose.
Radar lock.
Got enough time. Right, so where we go with this one?
Don't be hasty.
Wrigley Air Base. Hit vector 340. 4 miles.
Blitz a load of bombs to our
This is Wrigley. We've been attacked. We're currently engaging the enemy.
Hard enemy radar spike.
Oh, AA gun.
Get all operational
Love AA gun.
aircraft
Right, let's take out the
airborne
planes in the
immediately.
sky. And then we just have to take out the targets. We've got 44
Radar lock.
rounds left. Missiles left. 641 rounds.
Target hit.
And 1 bomb left. So let's try and not. And
AA guns destroyed. Hard enemy radar spike.
oof.
Fox 2. Fox 2's out of here. There are 2 vulnerables air attack. Target destruction confirmed. This is Wrigley. We've taken serious damage from enemy attacks. Hang in there. Don't give up.
Enemy facility destroyed. AA guns destroyed. Mobius 1 destroyed the target.
Got 2 fighters to take out. Where'd he go? There he is.
Bombers are being decimated.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you're right, you're
They're
right.
in
You're
gun
right.
range. Target hit.
We're getting locked off from behind us. Dodge it. Yes, I know there's a missile coming after me. Right, so where's it? Yeah. Oh, they took him down. Fantastic. Alright, so we just got these guys now.
Target is neutralized. All right, Mobius 1. Enemy facility destroyed.
Right, there was no more anti-aircraft, no more planes. We can just take it our time, taking out the rest of the targets.
all lined up like sitting ducks.
Target destruction confirmed.
Now, we won't be able to do 100% on every mission. But we can try and
Mobius
get
1, Fox 2.
as close as possible.
Enemy facility destroyed. Mobius 1 destroyed the target.
This is Wrigley. Our bombers are decimated. Repeat, all our bombers are destroyed.
It's not a bad second mission. Everything got taken out and we got an extra rank. Perfect.
The attack was a success. A significant number of enemy bombers were eliminated, and a full-scale airstrike on North Point was averted.
One night, a spirited group made their way up the bar, chased out the sullen army grunts, and commandeered the place. Even I knew who they were. The patch on their sleeve was the mark of the proud Air Force. A loud-mouthed, middle-aged man went around, announcing each pilot's results for the day and his running kill record. For those who exceeded 5 kills, a thorough toasting and soaking followed. I believe it was their custom to call a pilot an ace once he shot down 5 planes. After completing the day's review, the same guy, the squadron adjutant, went on to announce, "And now, for our leader's results." Everyone turned around to look at the quiet man who sat alone, strumming a guitar. I found myself drawn to the music from his guitar. Our Yellow 13 bagged 3 more today, bringing his new tally up to 64 kills. With a tentative smile, the man with the guitar turned to me and asked me to accompany him on my harmonica. I brought it up to my lips and I started a new song. I had finally found him. But by some fluke, It was my father's favorite song, the one he used to play at the end of each day.
Here we go. Now I'm hoping we've got enough to buy a new plane.
The Allied forces are retreating, and survivors are gathering at the northern port of St. Arc. However, the radar facilities atop Mount Shezna provide tactical support to the enemy. As a result, our evac mission is in jeopardy. If our troops can successfully evacuate and regroup at North Point, they will become a formidable force in future battles. Your mission is to destroy the radar facilities on Mount Shezna, thereby blinding the enemy and hiding our troop movements.
Okay, so this one again, we've got 21 targets in total. 9 are actual targets, 15 are ground, and 6 are the enemy planes. So let's try once again and get everything off the board and see where we go. Right, so right, we're gonna see if we can buy our new aircraft. And we can get the first one on the line, which is the F5E. Yes, we would like to buy that. And then we can see if we can right, so this one's we can buy this as well, perfect, which is a air to ground rocket launcher. So it will have 64 little rockets coming out of it. Perfect. So let's go for it. Let's go, we got it. So the original one is a normal bomb, and you get 12 of them, and then we're going to encrypt the rockets. We've just bought them.
This combat area
Look
is
at our
within
plane.
enemy airspace. Keep an eye out for bandits. Use
Right,
Vector
on this one, we've got a
180
bit
to
more
return
fuel
home
on
after
the front,
destroying the
so
target. Remember, a safe return
should make
complete
things a little bit easier.
Clear to engage. Mobius 1,
Enemy
engage.
target inbound.
This is Shezna Radar 1. Bandits approaching Vector 135.
Mobius 1 shot down a
That
bandit.
guy was just flying straight at us, you know. Here's the next. We've got 2 more coming in. So there's 5 aerial, 5 planes. So
Hostile aircraft and keep them from the radar. Omega 11 engage.
Heads up, enemy radar spike. Locked on. Nice kill.
Your worst enemy is the ground. Be careful not to get shot down.
I think that's it dead ahead.
Their radars already detected us.
Let's see how we do with these rockets.
The radar will be lined up along the ridge.
Oh, I think I'm a bit too. No, I was good. Good distance for me.
Just a little more.
Fox 2.
Target destroyed.
Right, took the face out, one out. Let's see where we're going. We've got plenty of stuff left to play with.
Radar lock.
Yalla, give me a kill. Yes.
It's no good.
Right, let's bogey.
Radar lock.
Got it, and here we go. We're heading towards our next couple of bogeys.
Mobius 1.
I can't
passing
see 'cause
over
of the sun.
Brzezinski crater.
There it is.
Heads up, enemy radar spike.
Here they come.
Yeah, I thought that might miss the 10.
He's at my 6.
Bandits in gun range.
He's behind me. That's one down.
Radar base 2. At vector 260. 8 miles.
Watch me earn my D-swings today.
Don't let the enemy spook you.
Don't worry. Just remember all that you learned during training.
Oh, everything's a miss.
Good job, Mobius 1.
Oh, we got a bogey on the 6.
Target destruction confirmed.
Oh, he's firing rockets at me. Missiles at me. He's a bit unfair now, isn't he? Right, let's just
This is Black 9. He's on my tail.
swing round and take him out.
Mobius 1. Fox 2.
Perfect. Right, so we don't want to hit the targets. We want to take out everything else first.
Fox 2. Fox 2. AA guns destroyed. Surface target destroyed.
Target destroyed by Mobius 1.
Oh, here we go. Mission update. I thought it wouldn't be that easy.
Fighter squadron here. Mission accomplished.
Sky Eye here. Radar facilities confirmed destroyed. All aircraft take vector 180 south. Use the return line on the map to exit combat area and return to base. Fly in the right direction and you'll see a white dotted line across your flight path.
Yeah, we got that.
Those of you who need to resupply or refuel during missions should cross this line to exit the combat area and return to base or carrier.
Well, I've got a feeling something's about to happen.
Approaching return line. Follow the controller's orders for landing.
Maybe not. Maybe nothing's going to happen. Just thought it was a little bit strange that he told us to do that, but okay.
Mobius 1, perform landing check. You are cleared to land.
Oh no, I skipped it.
With their radar out of commission,
Apologise,
the
wasn't meant to
enemy's
skip
command
that,
and
meant to actually
control
do
is
it.
degraded. The evac and regrouping efforts are proceeding as scheduled.
All total credits, yes. Do we got enough for the newest plane? Right, so we're going to try one final mission. Because the plan was to do the first 4 missions and get them complete. And then on our next plane, we'll
We've
try
discovered
and
the
do
Erusians
another
are
plane.
transporting a large quantity of strategic supplies and rapid deployment troops into Comberth Harbor. Comberth appears to be the staging area for an attack on the North Point. The Aegir fleet stationed here seems to be the centerpiece of this strike. If the Erusians complete their troop preparations and the Aegir fleet sets sail, this will bring about our defeat in this war. Your mission is to intercept and shoot down the enemy transport planes in and around Comberth Harbor. Let's show them how vulnerable they are. Be advised, the transport aircraft have ECMs on board that emit powerful jamming signals. Rely on visual contact rather than radar.
Okay, let's see if we can get another ship, another plane, another ship. What am I thinking? Another plane on the go and see where we go from there. Right, yeah, we can get the F-16C. Fantastic. Cool. And let's see if we've got enough to increase our weapons. Yeah, so we've got air-to-ground homing multi-target. Fantastic. We can't afford it. We are a grand short. Of course we are. Okay. Enough to sort of targets.
Mobius 1, Sky Eye here. You should be getting visual on the transport soon. Destroy the E-767s hidden nearby to clear the jamming from our radar. Good luck.
This is it!
This is our new plane. Let's go inside.
He's coming this way. Don't be overeager in pursuing them. Something's wrong. I'm pulling out.
Mobius 1, engage.
3, engage.
Omega 1, engage.
This mission might be a case of we just hit the targets quick and fast.
You're in too deep.
Bandit at 12 o'clock.
Moving fast.
Hard enemy radar spike. Mobius 1, Fox 2. 2 targets remaining. Radar lock.
It's a miss.
Keep your training in mind and you'll be fine.
Radar lock. Fox 2.
I'm hoping this is the actual one we've got to take out.
Cheek right. No target destruction confirmed.
Right. I'm going to try and find this one.
Where do they see us?
Damn, I need that radar.
There it is. I got it.
Keep right. He's on my tail. Let's flank him.
There it is. Got it. Gonna do a definite buff. Fire, 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 fire.
Mobius 1, Fox 2.
Got the first one. It's gonna take out the second.
Maintain formation.
Part of the radar's clear.
The radar's still jammed. There must be another active electronic jammer.
There it is. Got it.
And it's secure.
Mobius 1, Fox 2. All aircraft, check radar. It should be clear and functioning now.
Radar's clear of jamming and back online.
One enemy radar spike.
Nice kill.
We could have took out all the enemy planes, but it doesn't really matter.
Good job. You shot down the enemy transport without any radar.
Guess that could have made more of a challenge, I guess. But it's complete. And it's a job done, and that's what we came to do.
The mission was a success.
So
This
it wasn't
Erusian
an S rank
corridor
that
has
time.
been
We
effectively
got
shut down.
an A rank. So I'm not over. We could retry it again, but we're not going to do that. We're going to keep it as it is. It's not like, you know, you get an extra bonus point if you're 100% in the game. There was no achievements. It's just finishing the game on this one. So we're going to save our game. Perfect. Complete. Okay, and before that starts doing the next mission, I'm just gonna switch back over to this camera, and I'm gonna thank everyone for came who had to watch and listen. It's still playing. I don't know why it's doing that. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. I will be doing another 4 missions on our next video. So I will. Hopefully, you get to sit back, relax, and enjoy that one as well. Until then, have a wonderful time and enjoy the rest of your days.